Hello everyone, Jocelyn Predovich, Lime Tree Lending Group. Now if you're buying or refinancing with a VA loan, you're going to want to pay attention to this quick update. VA loans are phenomenal low-cost loan programs and have a lot of benefits to anybody with VA eligibility. Some of the benefits include no down payment, no mortgage insurance, the interest rates are as low as conventional and FHA loans. These loans are assumable, and a lot of people don't know what this means, but assumable means that, say you buy a house right now at 1%, I'm not quoting rates, but say you did, who knows, right? Say you bought a house right now at 1% interest rate, you go to sell it 5-10 years down the road, and the rates are back up to maybe 10-11% interest. You get to now advertise that whoever buys your house has the ability to take over your mortgage at the interest rate that you have received. That could be a huge sales tool, so that's very big with VA loans. The other thing a lot of people don't understand is there's limited closing costs on VA loans, which means that either the lender or the seller have to pay for the closing costs. These loans are phenomenal. The one disadvantage that people would refer to when they would talk about VA loans is what is called the VA funding fee. Now this is why you're going to love this update, is because the VA funding fee is decreasing. And I'm going to tell you how that works here in a second. Now the funding fee is a fee that's rolled back into the loan amount. This is really to minimize the tax burden of doing VA loans. So for instance, right now, if you buy a house using your VA eligibility and it's your first time ever, 2.15% of the purchase price is rolled back into the loan amount. If it's more than your first time, you're using it for your second, third, fourth, fifth, whatever, 3.3% of the purchase price is rolled back into your loan amount. Now, as of October 1st, 2011, this is going to decrease. So anything that closes after October 1st, 2011, the VA funding fee is decreasing. For those of you using it for the first time, it's dropping from 2.15% down to 1.4%. You're using it for any time beyond your first time, it's dropping from 3.3% to 2.8% for 2011. For 2012, so a year later, October 1st, 2012, if you're using it for any subsequent uses, anytime beyond your first use, it's going to drop down to 2.15%. Then for 2013, again, October 1st, 2013, for that year, it's going to drop down to 1.25%. So what used to be one of the major disadvantages of doing a VA loan, which I hardly consider it a disadvantage, but is now completely getting minimized. So this is really a big update for those of you looking into doing a VA loan. Now, can the VA funding fee be waived? Absolutely. If you have at least 10% disability, you can waive your VA funding fee. There's a lot of reasons why it can be waived, but that's one of the main ones. What if you're buying a home? Can the seller pay for your funding fee? Absolutely, they can pay for a portion of it, if not all of it. So that's something that you can negotiate as well if you're not eligible to have it waived. Now, to get pre-approved for a VA loan is not that hard. You can go online to our website at limetreelending.com. The girls in my office will just grab your application as it comes through, start processing it. We'll also provide you with the paperwork on how to get your certificate of eligibility, determine how much you qualify for, determine what your eligibility is. If you've lost your DD-214s, we can even help you locate those. So we can help through all of that paperwork. It's really not that difficult of a process. And a lot of times people think that they take forever to close a VA loan. That's also not true. You can still expect about 30 days to close a VA loan. So if you have questions, because you probably do, there's a lot to VA loans that I couldn't cover in this short video, just contact us, info@limetreelending.com. That's lime, like the fruit, limetreelending.com. Or you can call our office at 303-325-3578. Again, I'm Jocelyn Predovich, and I look forward to hearing from you. Bye-bye.